Good morning. This is our second day of camping here in Pinecrest Lake, California.
Hindi kami makatulog.
Hindi. Bakit nahuhulog ka? Hindi na lamig.
Nahuhulog talaga. Dumadalas ako doon sa airgun na yan.
Airport mo siguro hindi talaga inflated properly. No.
This is how to live a simple life, Justin. Making a fried rice under the tree. This is our second day of camping. I was assigned to cook this fried rice, but I hope that it tastes good. Okay? Thank you. Wait for the next video and follow, guys. All my friends follow because there's a next episode coming soon. Okay? Before exiting that video, I'll give you a short dance for you. Follow. Good. Ricky Baby's Kitchen. Ricky Baby's Kitchen. Thank you. Jun, you forgot the, no?
Can opener.
Yeah, the Filipino MacGyver.
Yeah.
We forgot the can opener, so be resourceful. We're
Lalagyan
using the
lalagyan ng can opener para ano. Eileen, what are you preparing, Eileen?
Assistant pa yung tagay.
So we're cooking spam.
Spam dito.
Ranilla, what are you making?
Making tocino marinated.
This is our second day of camping. Jen, what are you cooking, Jen?
Spam, tocino spam.
Tocino spam. Yes, this is the best.
Tocino spam.
See, if you want to know this Jen's secret how to cook its spam in 3 minutes.
Yeah, you want medium well or well done?
Jen, what happened to the spam where it burned?
This is well done.
Well done.
Yeah.
Where's the medium well?
Medium well here.
Okay, if you want to follow the Jen's recipe, subscribe.
Dito na, no? Meron pa.
Jen, what are you cooking, Jen?
Makakakita yan. I'm cooking corned beef.
Yan lang. Ito, ayun natin.
Ganun. Hindi kasha ang Manila yan.
Meron pa akong isa. And it just looks like...
It's like moldy. Yeah.
You want to scrape that. You want to sprinkle more.
Johnny, what are you doing, Johnny?
Keep going.
Shake that ketchup. Shake that ketchup, Johnny. Go, go, go. Johnny, shake the ketchup, Johnny. One more, go. Go.
There you go.